Welcome to Farmer Liberia farm. As you can see in this video, we have our cassava that within the next 4 months will be ready for harvesting. Currently, we have started harvesting the leaves, serving it to our goats, and also selling it in the local market for those who have interest in eating cassava leaves. And we have over 2 acres, and we have decided to plant more. Hopefully by next week, we will start doing more brushing to plant more cassava so that we can have enough food for our goats and also for the market. And apart from the cassava farm, we have other things that we have planted that is doing well as well. We have our bitterball farm that is also doing well. And by next month, hopefully, we will be harvesting. We'll be harvesting our bitterball. This is a bitterball. If you see here, we have the flowers already coming up on them. We have the flowers on them already. As you can see, there's a small bitterball coming up. There are lots we are doing here in Harrisburg, Liberia. There are a lot of things we are doing here on our own and with the support of the farmer in the USA. We are at this level, in this stage. We are hoping that with more support from other partners, we will make a meaningful impact in contributing to food security in Liberia and our community at large. Next month, this time, we will be harvesting bitterball. Next month, this time, we will be harvesting bitterball to sell to the market, to sell to our local market. This one is fast growing. You can see we have the bitterballs already saying, "Yeah, I am." Getting ready for your consumption. There we are. See bitterball. See bitterball. See bitterball. See bitterball. Coming out so good. Coming out so good. Oh, what a beautiful thing it is to plant. The rain is about to fall, so but this is it. That's what we do here at Farmer to Farmer. See? Yeah, that's what we do here at Farmer to Farmer side. Israel Conference, Farmer to Farmer, Sis Sally, Mr. Proud Bass, our Farmer to Farmer supporters, Nathan, all of you that are supporting this farming project in Harrisburg, all of you that are giving your resources, we'd like to say thank you. Thank you for your usual support. We are so much glad that you decided to help us. We are so much glad that at least through your meaningful resources, we are contributing to food security in this country. There's another session of the fund. These ones are just coming up.